Hi, this is Rital. Welcome back with another video. I hope you all doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add a separator in Elementor for free. The person who use Elementor for their website, they can cover all the things in Elementor. So I'm going to tell you, if you don't see my Elementor tutorial series, watch that video from the channels or also get the link from the description. So let's start. Log into your dashboard, click on that page where you want to add a separator. For example, I log in with the home page, this one. If you don't know how I create this home page, get my video, check it, and you will know it's so easy. Okay, so let's start. For example, I want to add any separator anywhere in like there. Okay, so how can I add this? Okay, I want to add a separator here, so I click up plus button over here and create a section like this, and I click on the plus button and scroll it down, and you will see a divider here, that is also called the separator or divider. So I'm just drag and drop this. Okay, so now you can see our separator, divider, whatever you want to say. Let's create it now. So it's look like that. Okay, so on your left side you will see you can bit solid, double. Okay, you can choose any style you want, wavy, multiply, your multiple arrows, whatever you want to do this you can do. Okay, rectangle, so much options you will get from here. Okay, like that. Okay, according the website you can choose. For example, I choose this one, and now I want to add a text over here. So how can you add the text? You will see a add element option here, and you will see a text over here. So I want to add text like finish and so on, contact here, yeah, any other thing you can write here. Okay, and you can give them, or if you don't want, you can click on none, and you can add a star. And if you don't want to add star, you can add anything by choosing this. By clicking on icon library, the Elementor provide you a free a lot of icon libraries. Like I select this one and I click just on insert, and you can see it will show here. Okay, now go in styles and you can give them colors, any color you want. Okay, according to your choice. For example, I want to give them this color, you can give. Okay, you can give them like that. You can give them weight, you can give them size. Okay, amount, and this one is gap. Okay, and this one icon, you can change the icon's color, whatever color you want to give the icon you can give like that. Okay, so okay, in advanced setting you can give them a motion effect and much more, but for now we just do it simple though. So I click on update, and let's have a preview, let's have a look. So actually it's updated, it's working or not, so let's have a look. Okay, you can see now the divider, the separator we create here is updated. Okay, so it's look like it. If you want to add in some inner section, you can also add according to your choice, of course. For example, you want to add something here, just have to do one thing, that for example, you want to add any separator in some inner section, like you want to add here, you just have to and just drag here. Okay, and you can see our separator is ready. like that. Okay, it's pluses. Just update it and have a look that it's updated or not. Our first separator, and here you can see our second separator or divider that we create here, in section, out section, and wherever you want to create. So this is how it's work. I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any query or question, ask me in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video.